Welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to create simple ceiling and how to make the ceiling with the slope. And then we will add ceiling lights on the ceiling. So let's start. Let's see how to create ceiling or slope ceiling in Revit. To draw a ceiling, go to the ceiling plan. But if you don't have the ceiling plan, for example, if I delete it, you can generate the ceiling plan very simple ways. Go to the View tab and then from plan views select reflected ceiling plan and select the level and click OK. Ceiling plan is created, you can see here. Okay, now to draw a ceiling, go to the architecture tab and select ceiling. If you want to edit it, then edit type, duplicate. I want wooden panel 1 by 2 inch. Okay, then structure edit. Then from here, delete this finish and structure, make it 1 by 2 inch. Okay, structure we will edit later. Then click OK, apply, OK. Then from automatic ceiling, select the area where you want to draw the ceiling. I will select this area. If you can see, it is highlighted. So whenever I click it, the ceiling will be generated. Click it once, then escape. If you want to see, draw a section here and double click here. And if you can see, this is our ceiling. Now we want to make it slope. If you look at the properties, then the slope is not given here. We have to first generate the slope. So go to the ground level and then edit boundary and then select the line where you want to add the slope, then define slope and OK. Now you can see it is showing here. The question is how much slope we want to add. To see this, go to the 3D and select the roof and see the slope from here 199 to 56, but I don't want this like this value. I will press U and from keyboard to change the unit and then from slope select it and make it degrees up to 3 decimal places. Okay, okay. And now if you see, it is 8.427. Then go to the section and select it 8.427 enter and then copy it. You can see it is slope along the roof and then move it till the roof. Our sloped ceiling is ready. Now similarly create other ceilings. Go to the ground level and then go to the architecture and then ceiling, and I want another ceiling. Go to the edit type, duplicate, make it plaster of Paris 1 by 2 inch B. Okay, and it's fine and okay. And now update it automatically. Click here, here. Ceiling is created, but we have to add the slope one by one. Go to the section, select it, ground view, and edit boundary. Select it, edit slope, and slope we have copied the value. Control V, and then finish it. Go to the section, move to the roof. Go to the ground view, and if you notice here, we can't see ceiling here. To see the ceiling, there's a method. If I press tab at the corner and select one ceiling, and then right click, override graphic in view by category, and then select the texture here, whatever texture you want. I will select maybe horizontal, and color here maybe this. Okay, apply. Okay, if you can see, now we can see the ceiling in our plan. You can add any texture you want. Similarly, change the slope of every room one by one. All ceilings are ready, but our exterior ceiling is left. So go to the architecture tab, press ceiling, and then we need wooden panel 1 by 2 inch. And we can't create automatic ceiling here. For this we have to sketch it because it's not a closed boundary. So sketch ceiling and select the rectangle, draw outer boundary, and then draw inner boundary, and then assign slope to the outer boundary line and give the value, enter, then okay, go to the section, then you can see it's here, move it to the top of the roof. All our ceilings are ready. We'll assign the material later, and then place the ceiling lights on the ceilings. Remember, you cannot place lights without the ceiling on the roof plan. So go to the ground level ceiling, and then go to the insert tab and load family. And if you go from the lighting, architecture and internal, you can select this recessed light. And if you want wall light, some, so wall light, open, and press CM from keyboard, choose the recessed light and place in the rooms. When you place in the room, you can see these temporary dimension. So whenever you place, see these temporary dimensions and place according to this, like this 2 feet, and then again. Or if you want to copy, select it, copy, or CO, make it till here. And then if you want to mirror it, select mirror, select the center of the room and mirror it. If you want to create same lights, then select the light and press CS from keyboard and create here, like in the center. If you can see the temporary dimension, then it is perfectly in center here. And then again select it and mirror it like this. CS. In this way, create lights all around the house. Create lights outside of the house. Make it copy maybe. Now for the wall lights, go to the south view. It is the front elevation, and then CM from keyboard and select the wall light, and you have to find it where it is, this one, and place it in the center, maybe here. Then copy it here. If you want to place here and here, you can select it. You can mirror it also, like this. Mirror this one. In this way we can create the ceiling and the lights in our project. You can place lamps and other lights. You don't need the ceiling if the light is not for the ceiling. So that's all from my side.